It's a flutter in Mineola, and you won't be able to resist this charming bungalow. You'll feel warm and welcoming vibes the moment you walk inside. Renovated, 3 bedrooms plus an additional 2 in the lower level, 4 bathrooms, and a walkout to a stunning landscape backyard, offering a canopy of privacy and mature trees. Welcome to our newest listing at 569 Arbor Rd. See how this home seamlessly blends nature's beauty with urban convenience. For a private showing or more information, call or text me at 416-833-5516.